Never use rings while doing massage. Synchronize with same speed. We have to follow. First of all, you see, you should love your profession. That's important, and that I see it's lacking. Okay. You should maybe, you don't know, this is a practical part, you should put your hand. She is doing alone. Nobody is helping her. You should not be there. It's your practical part. So maybe someone does not know, so she should at least, the person can watch her, how she is doing. So at least you can do with her. Just watching and listening theory will not solve the purpose. Now, I'm just telling you that you should be much energized to learn the practical things. That's what I mean. You should have the courage to do the practical things. Unless until you will make the mistakes. We also made the mistakes when we started learning. You will make them, then you will know that where we are making the mistakes. That's why I tell you, you heat yourself. You clean things yourself. You have to do everything yourself first. Then you will know that where you can make the mistake. See, first of all, this one thing. When you have to do head massage. The best position is sitting position.
Sitting.
Yeah. Because in lying position you will not be able to cover the whole parts. Like you did many points right also, but we have to give massage to the scalp, to the head, not to only to the hairs. Okay? So every part of the head should, or every part of the body while doing massage should be given at least 2 to 3 minutes. That is why like the head, while in sitting position, this is the frontal part, this is the temporal part, this is the occipital part, this is the forehead part. So every part should be given separate time, at least 2 to 3 minutes. Every part, yes.
And if you're sitting, it's more easy.
More easy for you also and comfort for patient also.
That's
Like the frontal part of the face is best when in the lying position. That you can do in the lying position. Give massage to the vertebrae also.
better to start with the head and to do then the face.
Yeah. In the sitting position, you can cover the whole head. You can cover the upper shoulders also. And this neck. And while lying down, then you can cover the forehead, the face, and this neck part.
Okay.
So similarly, all body parts should be done in a separate way. You should remember all body parts while doing massage. That I have covered this, I have covered this. This part can be massaged in this position. This part can be massaged in lateral position, back position, like this.
I learned that you had to pour warm oil on top of that, then massage it slowly
Yeah,
outward,
yeah.
and then take all
Start
the...
from the central part,
Yeah, and
pouring
then
head onto this frontal region.
Yeah.
And then slowly you have to move.
Yeah.
And then dividing the areas, this area, forehead, this temporal region, occipital part, frontal part.
And I missed
And
the
you
ears.
like
Oh, yeah.
ears also, and many parts of the face, like separate eyebrows,
Yeah.
eyebrows separate, neck part separate, tip separate, lips separate, chin separate.
And always work from
Yes.
the center to
To out.
Yeah,
outside.
this zygomatic bone separate. So many strokes of massage are there, only in the face. See, one thing more, in practical part, you are free to do anything. Don't hesitate.
I think my feet is bothering me.
Don't hesitate while doing practical.
Yeah, you want to do it right, and then you don't do it because you think, oh, I'm not gonna.
That's right, I'm telling you, don't hesitate. You are colleagues. You are colleagues with each other. You are here to help each other.
Yeah.
So don't think what she will think or what you will think.
Yeah.
So just mix up with each other to help each other.
Gaat dat lukken?
Hoe was het?
Alsof ik mijn bed uitkom. Lekker?
Ja?
But like you have got up after the procedure, lying in the same position for at least 10 minutes. It's okay, we are doing practical. But for you, everyone, rest.